Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to share a new way that I found on how to edit or type on a PDF assignment and upload it into Canvas. So if you're having problems with the other way that I had shown you, where you go into submission details, this might be a better alternative that works better for the computer that you have. So I'll show you this way that I just discovered, and I think it's pretty great. I'm going to go to assignments. Again, it doesn't matter what course you're in your Canvas page. Find the assignment that you want to work on. Click on it. Click on the link. And just like the other way, it's going to show up here on the bottom. And then you're going to click Open with System Viewer. So that way it opens up in its own PDF. And from here, you're going to come over all the way to the right. This last button here looks like a calligraphy pen, and click on that. Ignore all this stuff over here and then find where it has the AB. The AB is going to allow you to create text boxes and write right on the document and wherever you click. So setting. So as you can see, like it obviously took up more space lengthwise. So I can just go in, click enter, it'll go down to the next line. Press enter, it'll go down to the next line. Add my period. Maybe I want to make my words a little bigger. Maybe I want to make them a little smaller. I can do all of that right there. Click off of it. Again, wherever I click, it's going to make another one each time. Now, what I like about this as well is if you are working on maybe a multiple choice test or something and you have to bubble in your answer like we had last week, you can do that right there. You can also circle things that might be one you want to emphasize, maybe in the text or something, ask a question about later or that I ask you about. You can do that. Pretty cool, right? Again, with those breadcrumbs, you can put a check mark next to something. You can cross out something that you know isn't the answer to, and then you can change the size of it to match whatever the assignment is so that it is where it needs to be and the size that it needs to be to match it. So I thought that was really cool. Now the extra step that this requires is it's going to require you to go to File, Save As, and you're going to save your assignment onto your computer first. I like to save everything onto my desktop personally so that I know where to find it. And I'm just going to add my last name onto here. 5 Elements of a Story, Bone. It's going to go right to my desktop. Save. I can click out of here. And there is my assignment right there for me. From then, I have to go back into Canvas, submit the assignment, choose File. Again, I know that my file is on my desktop, so it should be, I come over here, click Desktop, and there's my assignment, 5 Elements of a Story, Bone. Open. It's going to attach that document for me. And then I just submit it. And unlike last time, when you see the confetti, you know you are done. No reason to do anything further. So like I said, this might be a great opportunity for some of you who are having trouble with, like splitting your screen, working windows inside windows inside windows. You are able to pull up, maybe on one side you can pull up the Teams meeting and see what I'm doing, and at that same time you have the other half of your screen set up with the assignment so you're able to take notes and follow along a little better that way. So I hope you liked my alternative way to write on a text. Again, it's going to be using this calligraphy button here at the very top. when you first went into it, and then the text box is that A, B. Pretty cool. I'm kind of excited. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys later. Toodles!